streets. Joining us is Melissa Bojeda with JSO. No captures to talk about, but let's talk about our featured suspect. This is a guy who says, you ain't taking me back to jail.
Absolutely. Roderick Johnson, he's wanted for domestic battery. He's described as 5 feet 8 inches tall, 215 pounds, and 43 years old. 32207 is the last known address, zip code 5201 Atlantic Boulevard. No bond, and like Bruce said, he made a statement during the incident that he was not going to let the victim go back to jail. The victim sustained multiple injuries to her face.
All right, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. By the way, this is the guy who says, I know I'm wanted, and he's trying to evade police. You can be the eyes and ears. We'll tell you what to do if you see Roderick or whomever the wheel lands on this morning. Round and round she goes, and it stops on Mr. McConnell.
Patrick Jody McConnell, he's wanted for burglary and dealing in stolen property, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 175 pounds, 23 years old. His last known address is in the Middleburg area of Florida. So anyone in that area, that's where he's known to hang out, but he commits his crimes in Jacksonville. No bond, breaks into people's cars and sells the merchandise on Craigslist. We're aware of his ways, and we're onto him, and a warrant has been issued. All right,
so if you see him, the featured suspect, or anybody on the wheel, you can check out all these faces later today on News4Jax.com. Call Crime Stoppers, 866-845-TIPS. Melissa, thanks.
Thank you.